Yeah, my people say see there and man himself in here don't know, you know.
Oh my God, look at that. Long time, you know, guys, a long time this way happening, you know.
Yeah, man.
Not before time, but whether you go and look some fire stick still, you know. And I feel like them are enough to do with fish, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, say fish are not hard something to do, you know.
It is.
Big up wildlife.
You don't
every
know.
time.
Alright, my people, so I don't know anything come down, you know. Welcome back to the channel now, as I see, you know, Fowl himself, you know. Hidden Beauty Boss and everybody there. Link up here when you go and for a portion of time, you know. But as him say, you know, not before time. I know another link up on the one, see still, you know, because I want to see some shoot off, you know.
Yeah.
But when the time right, because I know bird season now, so we are going to make ends meet other ways and go and do some things same way. You understand? So as you can see in the background, it's a portion of thing we have to go and same way. As I say, so just watch all of what happen before now and then we come back to this. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. People, so like I'm saying, right now we are going off in the water. You don't know. Take a little time and see what can be done. You understand? Because that place over there. Ah boy, it's to know, but left that alone still. We are going there, so I can go on. So link up. Yeah, ready now. Fall around this the same way. See it? Yeah, man.
Active.
Active. Everybody get active. My boss. Hidden boss.
Yeah, I know, I'm gonna hold them, you know?
Alright. Alright guys, so see it ya? Yeah man, we never have a gun like the kill, you know? But you don't know 2 shooter them not go on bad. Be fine fish. You understand what I say? Yeah man, and a couple crab, but 2 crabs same way so. Alright my friends and family. You don't know. Okay, this one upon him same land. Yeah guys, so right now we come out and now make our way back, so catch us soon. Alright my people, so at that really go on stillness, a sea catcher, and I don't know that thing they go already. Yeah man, a few mullets and stuff like that, you don't know.
Take them out like the people them see what go on, you know?
Yeah man, you don't know man, river, nice, you don't know.
Whoa, good, nice man.
Hidden bass.
Yeah man, active you know.
Yeah man,
Yes,
only
no,
for
man.
blessings man.
Bless up man.
Hey, yeah, just a nice jump you're licking on my friend. Good man. Nice jump that, you know, guys.
Yeah man.
Eh?
I'm the dog go out and foolish, it's like, you know, I'm a shooting.
You don't know
Yeah,
bro,
but it-
they are live
Yeah,
and
man.
direct same way people.
Yeah, I get some
Mhm. Yeah man.
High fish, you call like that.
Them ah?
Wow. Mullet are wicked, no?
You thought we said look at me like sweet.
What?
Good gosh no. Yeah my people, you don't know a thing come down in a man. A unity we say, you know, just a link up and I go and do a thing. You don't know. Wow, with a bag of thing in the water today. Even though I don't have a gun, I still accompany them and get some shots, and you don't know it work out just the same. Watch a man. Fall and spear fishing go uptown.
To the fast I'm run and I fire, me and fade and a tail reach and I fire.
You serious? How you sit them?
When them run, man, I fire in front of them.
That you have to do to catch them. Sometimes I shoot over someone them on the side.
Yeah.
Shoot over head. And by the time he spear to reach him, he said so.
Man, I check the amount of grease I come out time. So you know you turn way up on the rush, then you come out now, open and see ya. Fire ya go up and
dinner.
Higgle man, higgle bad.
It's in the mash up and in the hide.
Yeah man.
I go jackass, go pound.
How we go put them? Same place as so?
Wash them.
Okay, you look on the put them on the cover. All of them right now?
Hey man, I don't know fish this.
I look a bit of fish. I look a bit of fish.
Mount a mullet, I don't know mullet. My people don't see it. Mullet for the Father Mull. I'm gonna see it. Where's the father for like that, not true?
I eat that man, we go season them up man and then we deal
More
with them
portion of
shit.
thing, you know.
We should have more. All them, we left button of this. We should have more.
That big one I know could I fling stone all lick down this one and I water and people. Me I hit him. Big stone. Catch fire for your living. One time bud fall on it when the bud season come up and me I shoot, but you see me catch some fire. I know if you catch some fire, I make one side that burn on one side that.
Go over. You never know your dog up on fire. We are swimming on so sweet and nice. On the wild, on the wild still, no? Hey, you can shoot them, you know?
God no.
Hey.
I don't know how comes me is a big stone lick down one. That means
Hey, you skill, man.
Hey, it's a big stone lick down one of them, man. I never have no gun.
I say, guys, we have to live as one, you know?
Yeah, man.
Don't bad mind one another.
No envy.
No envy.
Food of the feel we eat.
Yeah, that is it, man.
Yeah, man. Guys, it's truly a blessing, and I tell you the honest truth. Hidden Boss for the whole team.
Outside.
Yeah, man. Real youth them, man. And remember, people, check out them channel if you're not familiar with it. Hidden Beauty TV, Wildlife. Yeah, man. Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, Wildlife, that's them channel. Make sure you check it out. Yeah.
Give them some score, you know.
Alright. Let's see how go on now, fall.
When you don't know, so I season up part, you know, guys. Watch you know. Alright. So I get the fish them season up, you know. You don't know, no want a bag of season pan with thing. Remember, just take on a look at time. Buckle up pads, you know, but you season them take up it. So guys, that's how we want the peeps. Just like that. You see me? Just take a look at time, man. Get it down in my belly, you know. In my creases. Yes, man. All the honey and them can stuff in my belly too, you know, man.
Get one different flavor for chew, you know.
Can stuff in my belly, man.
Alright, guys, so we just go and do some season, and after this, I don't know. Yeah, you'll catch you when we're up on the fire, but yeah, man, stay tuned, alright?
Then that then have to do better.
Yeah, man, so I'll put a little bit of onion in them belly and things like that, you don't know.
Yeah, man.
Little bit of onion and pepper in them belly to give them one next little flavor with the seasoning, you don't know. It smell good already, you know.
Yes, man. Flavor them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, nice. So I'll get them on the fire soon, guys. Like even I come down see them when I want to do a thing. And can close the video and thing like that, so we don't want the bad lighting. We kind of dip on a nice good time, so we want to work with it, you know, and you understand? Yeah, man, so everything I get sorted out, man. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, you know? Too much rat can't dig one good hole, you know, what you do?
Alright, I rat them up now.
The Japan,
Yo,
mullet.
that's some solid mullet them, you know?
Yeah, man.
Solid fish them, you know, brother.
I'm going to do that. You have Sir Mull, Mr. Mull, and Miss Mullet. Could I? What you them gone home now, brother? Yeah, man, it was an excellent dive, you know?
Yes, man.
Nice. See, Raj have some Irish, no, sweet potato. Sorry, me almost say Irish potato. Yeah, man.
Shouldn't make no mistake on that, no, my friend.
Jaja, eh? Yeah, man. Nathaniel. What am I telling you, my people? Fire temperature right. The yellow looking thing the way I see on them, I season mixed with the butter where I spring out of them. Greasy. You know? Yeah, man. For regular deal with them, saying already want about them.
Yeah, man. Whole for grease, whole for butter. Na mullet, see me?
Yeah.
Well, nice. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Hey.
So where you run from? What going on, sir?
Gonna stick me in a rooftop of my mouth.
Yeah, my people, so I just say, come down, you know.
Look at that.
Take your time, man.
See there, some nice Scotch bonnet, fresh. Boy, mullet are sweet too.
And you put a sharp one.
What's that? Some people, so you know, I'm going to enjoy a little bit of swimmers. In time I done, still me talk back to you, see it? Look there. I don't know, man. Bap, I got him. Mullet. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man, so we just done eat up some fish and a bag of thing, you know, and decide so we are going to take on the road and I want to go back home so we can start edit that video your phone. You don't know, because I try to get back at it. You see me I say? Yeah, man, so the man them there, you don't know, one or little. I guess I one left. But you know, we not waste nothing.
A little scrapings.
Yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, man, so you know, so me always want to say, yo, peace out. God bless and thank you so much for watching. And until in the next video, you will see wildlife again here. Big up on yourself and walk good. Blessings. Yeah.